welcome back everybody. Today I have, these are a little old, but these are the Japanese style of, or Japanese version of battle styles. Single strike and rapid strike. I'm gonna do this in two parts, so we will start with the single strike. At least I'm pretty sure that's single strike. I don't know, but let's see. Looking for the alternate art cards, of course. This is the set that introduced it. And I would love to get more of those cards. I've only got one alt art card, and it's in English. And I actually pulled in like one of the first packs I opened of Battle Styles. Alright. Everything looks all good. So, there should be 30 packs with 5 cards each. And I will be opening them from the bottom. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's still a pain in the butt to open. Alright. One to the front. And we have Bruno, Chemical, Murdercrow, and Pignite. That was the first pack. Oh, there we go. Hopefully I don't damage anything. Alright, let's see what we got. We got a tower. Mankey. A sword. Cacturn. And the doggy. I think it's Bullhound or something. Ooh. See if we can get another nice little rip like that. No. They're just gonna make it real hard for me. Alright. One to the front. I'm surprised there's like no kind of code card or anything, or not code, just a little card. But Electivire, Mawile, Durant, Roly-Poly's evolution. Oh, that's Roly-Poly and that's his evolution. Nothing yet so far. But the box is still young. One to the front, we have Mankey, Gligar, Galarian Slowpoke, Pignite, or Tepig, and we have our first V. It's Flapple. Little sleeve Flapple. There are 70 cards in this set. And it is S51. Alright. These boxes are guaranteed one secret rare. So that could go any way to a full art, just a basic full art Pokemon, a full art trainer, a rainbow, the alt art. Then in Japanese sets, the full art, just your full art Pokemon are secret rares. Alright, one. Alright, Esper, some swords, Lickitung, Tyranitar. Oh god. You look really bad. Oh yeah, and that's the other card I would like. The alternate art Tyranitar. That would be cool. All right. The one to the front. All right. We have Slowbro, Slandit, Zubat. Okay. VMAX, Flapple, another type of Flapple. I don't know which one this was, but it's the Apple Pokemon. That's the VMAX. There we go. That's more like it. Alright, one to the front. And we have Grandpa, a bug, a pig, a bird, and an energy. Alright. A bug, swords, dog, another dog, and a trainer. Alright, now I got it. These are way easier to open like that. And what do we got? A trainer, sword, Mankey, Cacnea, and a holographic Entei. And I like throwing these Enteis in this set. It's actually our first just regular holo. No secret rare yet. Alright. Looks like a Golbat, Chemico, Crunch, Durant. Another, oh my god, another Entei. Okay. Back-to-back Entei pulls. One. Trainer. Spoink. Glider. A pig. Tepig. And Boltown. I think we might be about halfway with this box. Ooh. Alright. One to the front. Turn it around. Aegisaur, or whatever, Mawile, Esper, Murkrow, and a scroll. Oh, wrong way. Alright. Let's see. Stoneger, Zubat, and Esper's Evolution. It's a pretty looking card. Another base holo. Alright, one to the front. We got Liggy, a little bug, Spearow, Electabuzz, and a tower. Turn it around. Cole, Glider, Pig, and Bell, I forget, Zong something. I don't know. Another base hollow. Let's see, how many do we have left? Oh, we still got a few. Throw this box out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 packs. So yeah, we're about halfway, or we're past halfway. Alright, saving the best for last. What do we got? We got a rope, Kamiko, Roly-Poly, Cacturn, and Primate. Let's see. We have a trainer, Esper, Mawile, Murkrow. Ooh, Colossal. Nice little hollow there. Alrighty. Golbat, a dog, Durant. Ooh, Morpeko. I like that card. Alrighty. With Phoebe, Houndour, Firo, Salazzle, Slandit, and Tapu Bolo? Or Tapu Koko, I don't know. There's like 4 of them. Cool, another V card. 3 Vs, 1 V Max, and like a few base hollows. Nothing great yet. Let's see, Licky Tongue, Murkrow, Esper, and that is a secret rare. Oh, wow, that's kind of cool. Is this a rainbow? Like, I can see it a little at the bottom and how it's all shiny. But it's saying it's number 80. It's got me. Or number 85 of 70. HR. It says HR. We'll see. We'll see what happens with that. That's pretty cool. It's definitely special. Let's keep going. I don't think that's an art or a alternate art card. I'm not too sure. Let me know in the comments. Cause that one's got me. Or are they just saying that that's just a full art? I can see that happening. It just be considering a full art, but most V Maxes are like full art, just about. So. Alright. One to the front, Trainer, Durant, the Emperor, and some dogs. Alright. Coming down to our last few packs. Electivire, Slanted, Bird, and Bruno. Grandpa. Then, okay, there we go. Another holo. Not a double this time. Not yet. We've only got the Entei and a double. Seems when I opened my EV Heroes, I only had one double of a holo. So we'll see if it keeps like that. Slowbro, 1, 2, 3, 4 left to go. Turn it around. And let's see what we've got. Okay. Nice, another VMAX. Sweet. 3 to go. There we go. Let's see. 2, 3, and Houndoom. Holographic. Ichigeki style. Boom. 2 to go. Oh, HR, duh, it's hyper rare. Alright. So that was our above set list card. Alright. One, two, this is our last pack, and our last card is Crobat. Holographic, that looks dope. Sweet! So we got a bunch of good stuff on that. We got this. It's very shiny. That's cool. We had some other VMAXs. Some V's. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4 V's, 2 VMAXs, a hyper rare, which is pretty cool, and a handful of just your holos, 2 Enteis, so that's cool. We will now, put that over here, and the next video will be the Rapid Strike box, so I will see y'all then.